Alright, so now that the trigger and the trigger spring are in and the pin, the next thing I have to do is put this trigger bar in. This trigger bar is actually from a Champion. So the goal is to put this stud into this hole where you can see the exposed trigger shoe. And then my goal is to trap the trigger bar with the trigger bar spring. So the technique I found to work the best for me is to put my finger here to pin the trigger in place. I'm going to insert this trigger bar halfway, just about maybe halfway in. I don't know if you can see the trigger bar protruding into that channel. And the goal is to see that leg in the back. We have to make sure that that spring is ahead of the bar. So I'm going to try to demonstrate that now. First, let me put that halfway in. Now I have to push that down. Didn't work that time. There you go. So push that leg down, push the bar in, and I should have captured it. I don't know if you see it. See, the leg is past now. So now I can line this up, the back of the trigger bar with this hole. I should be able to push inward. Oh, here it is. I'm sorry. It's supposed to go in this channel, guys. So now all I gotta do is just push in, and now you'll see that small leg is in contact with the trigger bar. That's what keeps the trigger bar in place. So if you did it right, it'll lock on that groove and you won't be able to pull it out. And that's how you install the trigger bar on a P88 compact.